Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today doing a VR video response for Tanya. She's at Memorydex Keepsakes, and she's having an all dolled up 1500 Subbie challenge giveaway, and I believe the last day is in October 19th. Well, it's got to be postmarked by October 19th. I think she's having a drawing on the 26th. But anyway, she wanted you to make a Memorydex and a tag that was 6 1/4 by 3 1/4, and a loaded pocket envelope, and mini envelope, the 4 by 6 size, and you can stuff it with whatever you like. So I will show you what I made for her, and since it's a doll, she wanted some kind of girl on it. So I just basically used my reset papers and fussy cut out some of these images, and this is my Memorydex card, and she said if she wanted it sturdy, so this is like 4 pieces of 110 pounds, so it's sturdy. So that is my Memorydex card. So all those elements are cut out, and it's some gold thread, and I inked everything with vintage photo. And then you want everything to coordinate, so this is my coordinating tag. Put a doily on that one and some ribbon, and some bling and some Wink Stella on the purse, on both of these purses, and on a little bit pieces on the typewriter as well, right there on that part, and the bling for the earrings and bling on the dress. Again, these elements are fussy cut out. And then this is my pocket envelope. Again, the same papers that coordinate the reset papers. And this is what I made it. This is made on 110 pound craft paper, cardstock. And I made just a couple 3x4s with the matching envelopes. And again, everything was inked with vintage photo. Very simple and flat, just so that she can have these, they're blank on the inside. She can write whatever sentiment she wants. You know, just to think somebody to say hello. Because everybody can use some little cards, you know, when you need them. So it just says, like a boss. Put a little bit of bling on the A. This says, hey, hi, hello. And a couple pearls. And this one says, and that was also Wink Stella. I don't know if you can see that on that word hello. Then get it girl, all the words up here, the letters up here also have that Wink Stella on it as well. And you can see a little bit of that shine, just some bling on the corner, so they all been matted. So, and then I made the envelopes with my punch board and put the little tape on it so they're ready for her to use as well. And so I will stick all of that and whatever else I can find to fit in here, and decorate it up and send that out to her. So go past her channel, like and subscribe. You will like her channel. She loves to she's doing the Sweet Treats collab, and she does hauls. She gives me, and she makes various items. So check out her channel, send some love and support, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.